Well, look what we got here, boys. Something exciting from YouTube. About 100,000 subscribers late. Let's open it up. Alrighty, boys. We have our special delivery from YouTube. Let's unbox this real quick. I have been waiting for a pretty solid minute for this. YouTube's been a little bit slow. I mean, with COVID and everything going on, it's taking a little while to fulfill the orders, but here we go. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. Got the little note from YouTube here, signed by the CEO herself. And we got, congratulations on your subscriber milestone, blah, 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 blah. Little thing from the people who create these for them. Ooh, baby. Look at that. That's cool. Cars across Texas, baby. 100,000 subs. That's crazy, man. It still doesn't even feel real. Now that I'm like even holding this, like, what the heck. Thank you guys so much. We're pretty much to 200,000 right now. So, obviously this reward is a little bit late, but couldn't be more happy to finally get it. And it still doesn't even feel real. I appreciate you all for supporting me, and hopefully you enjoyed today's video, guys. What's going on, guys? Cars Across Texas here today, and we're at the LowLife EST meet. It's supposed to be a JDM meet, but I'm greeted here by two fellow HPC cars. It's very nice sounding choppy C6Z06 than the Pro Charge C7 Stingray. Two very different cars in their own right, but two very sick cars as well. I don't even know what I'd pick. I'd probably go C6Z06 on this one. I'm sorry, but I just have a special place in my heart for the C6Z. But this meet's actually pretty packed. I didn't really expect it to be this big. Lots of JDM stuff here, so without further ado, let's take a look around. Let me know what your favorite car in today's video is, and let's get to the action. So, this is pretty clean, man. CCW's on the RX-7. That's a good look. I like that a whole lot. This is a pretty wild wrap on the C7. I like it though. Homie's rolling deep with everybody in the bed too. You got the squad with you today, huh? Another look at this pretty crazy wrapped C7. That is a wild wrap. I like it though. I'm not really sure what it's even supposed to be, but some weird pattern. So one of the most underrated Mustang colors in my opinion is the new crimson red color. It's like the dark burgundy on the chrome rose gold wheels. That's a pretty good look. I like that actually. All right, I'm gonna say a quick prayer. Please don't demonetize me, YouTube, but look at this. Nice little 240 S14. Got the old Mercedes slammed to the ground, all VIP style. Look at that. Yo, you got new wheels. What's going on? Looks good. We got this GT500 back here on some meat. Who next? Alright, so I see y'all's comments talking about how I don't have any lightning in videos. I don't see lightnings like that, so I can't show them if I don't see them. But here we got one looking very nice. Little Eaton Terminator blower. There it is. I see your comments, boys. Don't think I'm ignoring you. And we got the lowrider rolling up too. That's pretty crazy looking. What kit is this?
Aerosport. Aerosport.
Okay. It looks cool. That's a mean looking Panamera. Alrighty, so I had to hunt a little harder for the dogs this meet, but oh my goodness, so pretty. You guys a little intake in the headlight too. Look at that. 4G63 power, baby. A couple very low boys over here. Holding the hood open by the spring. Creative. Look at that. A lot of attention to detail on this one. Those racing seats are pretty sick. What you got back here for me? Oh, that's dope. They wrapped the air tank. R33 GTR. What do you think, guys? Do we need one of these on the channel? I've been itching for a JDM car, man. I want something cool in JDM, though. I don't know if I should just say screw it and get another cool car instead of a good daily. And a C8 rolling up. The C8's got a bunch of underglow and lights and stuff on it. Gold chrome accents everywhere. The gold chrome accents, the underglow, the lights around the brakes. Hello, puppy. Oh my goodness.
Dogs are from Texas.
Fastest car in the lot here, baby. The High Ram C6Z06. We got a twin turbo Mustang that just rolled up. When are your turbos coming? Huh? When are your turbos coming? You gotta be like him, Mr. Fast Guy over there. All right, I don't know if that's a real Super Snake. Someone please tell me in the comments below. Good Lord! I can't get any closer than this, but the C7 and the Camaro are two-step battling. Huh. So I'm are these welds on this Suzuki Samurai? He's got skinnies up front. What? What? So it went from like, you never see these at meets, and now there's like all these modified ones pulling up.
I see you, bro. Big chilling it.
What? Yeah. My God, man. More puppies. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't take it. More puppies over there. This is gonna be a dog vlog. It's Boyd in the rear-mounted turbo Z06. So we got Boyd here. Look at the turbo, dude. Oh, Lord is right, man. We got the Grinch Hellcat on the D5 Forge Star beadlocks, or Forge Line beadlocks, I'm sorry. Don't crucify me in the comments for that one. Oh my God. Hi, puppy. Oh my goodness. Oh, my heart. Oh.
Tired.
Yeah. GT350R? Okay. The lowrider's rolling up. Amazing. Alrighty, guys. On that note, we're gonna head out from this meet. Lots of cool cars here, lots more JDM than usual. I don't really even remember how much I filmed of the JDM stuff because I don't really know much about the JDM cars, but Lots of other cool cars like Boyd pulling up in the rear-mounted turbo C6C. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what your favorite car in today's video was in the comments down below. I'll see you in the next one, guys. See you.